Put on your school uniform. Put on your school uniform. Button your shirt properly. Button your shirt properly. Comb your hair nicely. Comb your hair nicely. Wear your school bag. Wear your school bag. Come eat your breakfast. Come eat your breakfast. Drink your milk slowly. Drink your milk slowly. Do not waste your food. Do not waste your food. Sit properly at the table. Sit properly at the table. Are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? Wait for the school bus. Wait for the school bus. Hold my hand tightly. Hold my hand tightly. Walk slowly on the road. Walk slowly on the road. Look both sides first. Look both sides first. Did you finish your lunch? Did you finish your lunch? Share your lunch with friends. Share your lunch with friends. Listen to your teacher carefully. Listen to your teacher carefully. Do not talk in class. Do not talk in class. Write your lesson neatly. Write your lesson neatly. Show me your homework. Did you learn something new? Did you learn something new? Tell me about your teacher. Tell me about your teacher. Change your clothes now. Change your clothes now. Wash your hands with soap. Wash your hands with soap. Come eat dinner together. Come eat dinner together. Eat your vegetables too. Eat your vegetables too. Do not play with food. Do not play with food. Clean your study table. Clean your study table. Pack your bag for tomorrow. Pack your bag for tomorrow. Read a short story. Read a short story. Time to sleep now. Time to sleep now. Close your eyes slowly. Close your eyes slowly. Do not use the mobile phone. Do not use the mobile phone. Say good night to me. Say good night to me. Sleep well, my dear child. Sleep well, my dear child. Wake up early tomorrow. Wake up early tomorrow.